Squatting is a fundamental exercise that has been around for centuries. It's a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Squats are often incorporated into strength training routines because of their ability to increase lower body strength and improve overall fitness levels. But what happens to your body when you squat 15 times every day for 30 days? In this video, we will explore the potential benefits and risks of doing so. So before start, subscribe to my channel and stick around the full video. Day 1 to 5. During the first 5 days of squatting, you may experience muscle soreness as your body adjusts to the new exercise routine. This is perfectly normal and is a sign that your muscles are adapting to the stress of the exercise. You may also notice an improvement in your range of motion as your muscles become more flexible. Day 6 to 10. As you continue to squat every day, your lower body strength will start to improve. You may notice that you can squat deeper and with more ease than before. Your glutes, quads, and hamstrings will also become more toned and defined. This is because squats target these muscles, making them stronger and more visible. Day 11 to 20. By the middle of the challenge, you may notice that your overall fitness level has improved. Squatting 15 times every day for 30 days is a great way to build endurance and stamina. You may also notice an increase in your metabolism, which can lead to weight loss if combined with a healthy diet. Day 21 to 30. As you approach the end of the challenge, you may start to notice that your balance and coordination have improved. Squatting requires a lot of stability and control, so it's natural to see these improvements over time. Additionally, you may feel more confident and empowered as you see the progress you've made. But, as with any exercise routine, there are also potential risks involved. One of the biggest risks is overuse injury. Squatting puts a lot of stress on the joints and muscles of the lower body, and if done improperly or without proper rest, it can lead to injuries such as strains, sprains, and tears. Another potential risk is muscle imbalances. Squats target specific muscles in the lower body, and if these muscles become overdeveloped, it can lead to imbalances in the body that can lead to further injuries down the line. To minimize these risks, it's important to approach this challenge with caution and listen to your body. If you experience pain or discomfort, it's important to take a break and allow your body to rest and recover. Always make sure to use proper form when squatting and to incorporate rest days into your routine to avoid overuse injuries. Overall, squatting 15 times every day for 30 days can have many potential benefits, including improved lower body strength, increased endurance and stamina, and improved balance and coordination. With the right approach and mindset, this challenge can be a fun and rewarding way to improve your overall fitness and achieve your health goals.